I did not know that vidIQ did this. Did you know that vidIQ could create scripts for us? I'm going to show you the behind the scenes. Okay, let's dive in. There I was watching this video from vidIQ. If you want to know the exact video, I'll link it. And then I got to the part about the remix button. So I hit the remix button and it gave me these potential titles. But it does more than that. I went in and I clicked on generate on the one that said how I found trending scripts using vidIQ. And then I went into this layer right here. So there's the title. There it is. There's the description. Are you kidding me? There it is. There are the tags. And there's a thumbnail. It gives me a thumbnail. So then it writes the script. Hook. Outline, it says 15 seconds, presentation of the problem, exploration of development, climax, key moment, conclusion, summary, call to action, and then the entire script. My mind is literally blown. One of the things that I have found it hardest in long form content is to figure out the whole, like, the hook and the structure of it. It gives it to you right here, my friends. So you and I tested it today. The video that I did that it gave me is either right before this one or right after, but you're getting it all because I do not gatekeep around here. Hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado. If we've just met, I have an MFA in acting from NYU, and I came to YouTube because I was sick and tired of waiting to get cast, and I have become obsessed with all things YouTube, including all the tools that help us as creators. vidIQ is one of those tools. So you're going to find my link in the description. It is my affiliate link. If you want to deep dive further, absolutely please use it. So now I'm going to show you what I did. So there are great things about this, and you have to tweak it a little. And absolutely, with anything from AI, you should make it your own. So you can't just take the exact script it gives you. If I had, I would be making a false claim. It says here, one specific success story that comes to mind is when I used vidIQ to come up with a script for a video about a trending topic. This video ended up getting 100,000 views. God willing, that will be true. But so what I did so that I am making it my own, I took this whole script and then I put it into my other friend, ChatGPT, and I said to it, now here's a script I got from vidIQ. We need to remove the part about how many views it got me and instead put that we are going to find out how well this actually works. Because I'm not just about using the tools here with you, I'm about telling you the truth about the tools. So I think that that is an amazing tool. You can't just take it and use it. And just like anything, we don't want AI to replace us. We want it to help us, right? So then I rewrote the beginning part about how excited I am to test this tool, and I'm editing that together, and you probably either just saw that video or are going to see it in a second. But that's how I got that script. Amazing. Okay, so now about the thumbnail. It gave me this thumbnail, right? So I downloaded it, and then I took this into Canva. I removed the person and put me there instead. Boom. You're welcome. I hope this serves you in some way. I can't wait to see what you create, and I hope that vidIQ is as helpful to you as it is to me. If this helped you at all, if it enlightened you as to what is possible out there, absolutely consider giving me a like and subscribe, and most importantly, give me a comment about what you learned today that you might not have already known, because believe it or not, YouTube somehow likes comments. It'll help tell the algorithm that it should go out to people like you and I who will find this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.